Hello guys, welcome to Al Makra Repair Center channel. We have a Mercedes 2017 C-Class 250. We have a dent on the bonnet that has to be repaired. Somebody done it on purpose for the client, and then we have a big one here as well on the wing that has to be done, and then another one on the door. We have 3 panels today to do on that car. Here you go guys, that's the job has been completed on the Merc. As you can see, we had a dent on the bonnet, and we had another dent on the wing as well, and on the door another dent. So we had 3 dents: door, wing, and the bonnet. And now the job has been completed. The car look perfect, and we're very happy with the result as well. Guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.